ZANU-PF chairpersons, each of whom was gifted $100,000 at Land Cruisers by Kubakwashe on a later date, attended a meeting that included him. During this meeting, they discussed strategies to outmaneuver General and remove him from ZANU-PF and the government. They agreed to pass a vote of no confidence against the General, and at the upcoming ZANU-PF conference, citing concerns over the decline of relations between the two men and accusing General of betrayal. Onsarabina mashoko anyasikunuka kunzi ndoma attacks akananga kuna General. Panguva inei kurikunuka kunzi machairpersons achingapuwa mota kwazokonvewa a meeting inoyazooneka kunzi ine mapfumo akanangana na VP Constantino Chiwenga nekuda kwevanhu vabraibiwa. Panguva ine azvipere mushe kuconference kuri kuendwa kusarapinda mashoko azvizere ndoti subscribe like on the bell kuti Chipinda anoendera mberi achiti as they deliberated they faced the question of who would formally propose the motion. Tawanda Mutodza of Manicaland, the only youth chairman present and a participant in the failed coup attempt against Robert Gabriel Mugabe, known as Cholocho Declaration, was perceived to be the loyal ED. Consequently, he was chosen as the sacrificial lamb to move the motion for General's dismissal, with a second from Jabulani Sivanda, who saw himself as a powerful tool to represent the multi-billion voice and the war veterans. Tawanda expressed concerns for the safety, to which they reassured him that after moving the motion, he should simply disappear. It seemed that the older chairpersons were hiding behind the youngest member in their group, raising the question, why should the young bear the burden of the older generation? Anamasi Mrembwa, why hide behind Tawanda Mukodza? If you claim General is nothing, then what are you afraid of? Murwichkei. No matter what panguva ine anyasikunuka the house panguva ine iri kutenderedza musoro nokuda kwegeneral nokuda kwekuti VP Constantino Chiwenga akamira pachokwadi. These guys vakamira zvavo pacorruption. Mashoko ari kunyatsobuda panguva ino achinyatsoratidza kuti zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka muthe ruling party ZANU-PF, and they are planning each and every day and night kuti general vavakurubutsa sei. Pina comment section medu musize mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musakanganwa subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.